Start. Start. Tell me the story.
Manish, a 21-year. Yes, sir. So my story starts with Manish, a 21-year-old boy planning to go on trekking with his school friends on reunion. He talked to everyone and convinced them. He then made all the arrangements required, such as the travel destination Roorkee, the bus, and other necessary arrangements. On their way to Roorkee, they encountered a huge storm. Manish then motivated everyone that it will add thrill to their trip. They then went to the trekking and enjoyed a lot. Everyone thanked and appreciated Manish for his organization and planning.
Okay. Now, as far as who's the hero? Manish.
Manish.
Who is the hero? Manish. What sex is he?
Manish.
Manish is a girl or a boy? Manish is
Boy.
a boy? Boy. What are you? Are you girl or boy?
Girl.
No. So I tell hero should be of same age,
Girl.
and around there. So who should have been hero? It should have been Sumita or Lalita.
Okay. Sir, but there was only a single boy in the picture.
That's I totally wrong there. That's separate issue. I wanted you to do that. Think it to a girl. What the problem? Even girls put on the same suit and boot.
Sir, in every picture there is
Well,
sir, in those.
no discussion.
So the picture where girl is present, I always try to make the girl as the hero.
There was
But in this picture, only a boy was present in the storm. That is why I
what
made him the hero.
Manish has done now after that. He has arranged everything. You have been generalist. You have not given details of what all things you have arranged. You have simply talked about the Roorkee and he says bus and other things to be done. You have to be generalist. You have no details have been given. Who is going to, just like details can be like for food, can be water, can be money, how the things, how they contributed, what all things are to be organized, how are you going to plan a picnic or trekking, what are you going to do about it. You have never told anything. What is the purpose of the training? Trekking.
Okay,
They have a certain aim. You have not talked about the aim at all. Okay.
so I said that the trekking was organized on their reunion.
For what?
He told them to organize their reunion, to
How is
organize a trekking on their reunion.
how is trekking is going to contribute towards the reunion? They have to some purpose. Probably maybe to create a
So
bondage.
reunion is just to meet old friends. So on the
What is the purpose
so to organize the a meeting, he
of it?
organized it on a trekking.
Problem with you is stop to listen. You just listen to me. There has to be some purpose of reunion. What is reunion? That to create a bondage. How to create a bondage? All both boys they decide to go for a trekking. Why can't you do it? So that they remain together for some time. So the old memories are revived. What area they have gone. Can't we talk about this? Understand, take at the advantage of it is what there's nothing, one thing good, there's nothing negative in the system. But until you give details, why that purpose, reasoning, abilities and come. You have organized, yes, union, there is a tracking. For what? What is the aim? What is the logic? Why have you done? What advantage would you get? Who gets the money? From where get the money is going to come? For how long is trekking going to be there? Is it going to 1 day affair? Is it going to 10 days affair? How long? How many distance? Did we give these details?
No, sir.
That's the point. Okay, number
No,
two
sir.
story.
Rajesh, a 21-year-old BTech CSE final year student, was executing a project for automating traffic lights. Because of the project not going the way he expected, he was a bit depressed. He talked to his professor, under whom he was working on the project, regarding what exactly the problem is, because of which he was not able to complete it. His professor motivated him that he had enough knowledge about Java and coding, and he can complete it. He just need to take rest and think about it. The next day, he followed what his professor told and completed the project successfully.
Okay. You use the word depressed. What does it mean? Low stamina. Mental stamina is low. You are unable to find solution. You require help and assistance because you're going back to the system. Number one, what have you done? You are trying to say talk to only Java. What is the mental affair? Just a coding part of it. Next, he asks you to take rest. What does it mean? That means your mental and physical stamina is so low, your determination is low. Self-confidence is low. Have you got my point or not? So why do you use these words? You should be
Yes,
avoided.
sir.
You require motivation. You are saying he motivated him to do that. So motivation required. So you're not self-motivated. Self-conscious, self-efficacy, that gets missing out. This could have already told about it like the simple way, like like having implementing a project which required high technology for which he took assistance of the professor, and with his effort help he brought a new technology come back which are appreciated by all, and the project got successfully implemented in time, and we program save the law, save improve the traffic system of the area. Correct? Could it be done that way or not? So think it. You have to enhance your
Yes, sir.
thinking about it. Number three, Paro. Number three, story number three.
Rajesh, a 21-year-old. Yes, a third. It's the third story. I use the same name. Rajesh, a 21-year-old boy, on coming back home, encountered a big traffic jam. He visited the starting point of the jam to find the cause. Found a big truck that stopped working. He, being the mechanical engineering final year student and having knowledge about automobiles, decided to correct it. He asked the truck driver for permission and started working on the truck and fixed the
All right,
problem in 15
how many
minutes.
lines have passed till
He
now?
then, with the traffic police, cleared
Hold
the
it.
jam.
Hold it. How many lines have passed till now? How many lines have passed? How many lines have gone by now? When he decides to correct it, how many lines have passed? How many lines have you written till now? In the story number
Sir,
three, till the
10.
time he finds the traffic jam until he decides to correct it, how many lines have you written on the story number three?
So, seven lines.
And out of 13 lines which you can write, 7 lines you have not even defined the problem. It could have, the whole thing could have been done very simple way. Manish, say, a final year engineering, having knowledge of automobile, having seen traffic jam and
Automobiles.
found where it's stuck, decided to correct it with the help of system, correct it and went across. Why the verbose? Your verbose define the problem in 7, 8 lines. Your action should be in 7 to 8 lines. Next, what have you done after that? Did it beyond that? Did beyond that?
Sheila, a 21-year-old.
Now,
So in the third story.
same story after
Then he fixed the problem in 15 minutes.
that. Okay,
What's the?
go ahead. Go ahead, read it.
Yes, sir. He then fixed the problem in 15 minutes. He then, with the traffic police, cleared the jam. Everyone thanked him.
So, that is
That
only
was the end.
what action did he take it? From where he got to get the spare parts? From where did he get the tools? Was he available? How was he fixed it? Is he mentally? Did he have a spare part? Did he have no spanners? Did you have something wrong there? Tools do it. You are trying to take credit the cost of the driver itself who is driving the vehicle for so long. He don't know how to fix it within 15 minutes, and you have come outsider who can fix the truck immediately. You are trying to take credit at the cost of the driver itself. You think the driver is a fool who is driving the vehicle for so long. Next story.
No, sir.
Next story.
Sheila, a 21-year-old BA graduation final year student, had a dream of joining the Indian Air Force since childhood. She sincerely studied in her college and used to go to library after her college for preparing for FCAT exam. She also used to run 5 kilometers in the morning every day for physical fitness. With all her dedication, she was able to clear the exam as well as the SSP in her very first attempt. She, after joining the academy, sent a letter to her father about the environment and everything. In her, In her midterm break, when she visited home, her parents were awestruck to see their child in uniform.
Why can't you contribute after that for the social development so other girls also join? After joining Air Force, she became the icon who contributed to the area of it, so the other girls could also be motivated and help them to also again many girls from that area have also joined Air Force or Army or Navy. That's your futuristic also. You can add that much. Nothing wrong with the story. If you add that much, that is going to give you more credit. One story after 12 story in this indicates your motivation to join service. There's nothing wrong. It's good. But you have to be more details like that. You have to any act that you do, it has to have a futuristic aspect attached to it. That's a temporal gain. You have become an officer fair now. How have you contributed back to society? That is more important. Read the next one. Read the next story.
Sita, a 21-year-old girl, along with her friends at theater, decided to make a play on self-defense to tell people how to self-defend themselves in emergency situations. Sita attended the self-defense coaching in her graduation years, which helped her making the skit. They executed their skit very well. They also captured it with a camera and posted it on social media platforms to reach as many people as possible. Many people thanked them and appreciated them for their efforts for awareing people of self-defense.
Okay. Why
This
can't you
was
put
the story for the picture where the girl was pointing a gun to the man.
aware of that? Tell me that I'm aware of that. Now it's good, nothing wrong. Why can't the thing again
Sorry,
add
sir.
futuristic aspect of it? She created an institute of self-defense in order so that everyone can afford defense, and that became a hit later on. Adds futuristic aspect. If you are done good, you must be better. Because that's how the progress goes.
Okay, sir.
Next story. Next
Yes,
story.
sir.
Read the next one.
Reema, a 21-year-old third-year student of AIMS Patna, decided to help and treat as many people as possible in the COVID situation. She, along with some of her friends, started working on shifts with the staff working at AIMS to ease their work as well as to treat more number of people. They also went to villages to treat free of cost to those people who cannot afford the treatment at hospital. With the effort, they were able to treat 1,000 patients in their first week. They continued this work till everything became normal in the country. They then pledged to help and treat people till their last breath.
Very nice. Just tell me who is the hero? Who is the hero? Who is the
Sir Rima.
Bhima?
Rima.
What is she? She's a third year
Sir,
student in the AIMS.
she is a third-year student at AIMS Patna.
Okay. Now can she go out of the place without the permission of the faculty? She is still a student. Is she
Sir, on
independent?
weekends they went to the villages nearby.
1,000 students, when you are trying to do it, you have to be you got every student has got duty to perform. Is she entitled to treatment? She can only help. Has she completed her doctor degree? No. Can she give prescribed medicine?
No, sir.
No. Can she undertake any operation? No. So what has she, so what you have done is wasteful. You could have changed it on a third year student with the help who in turn interacted with the final year student who was a doctor itself, and they formed the team. She assisted, and they all as a group they decided to help people every Saturday, Sunday when they are there. Even they wanted to have overtime, then they could go beyond it. You have to make it realistic what is going to on ground. Just tell me, can a third year student, are they permitted to prescribe medicine? No.
No, sir.
Then are they authorized? No. Can they afford it? They can best be assistant to a doctor. They can be helping others to perform their duties. They can be on a self or help care in the care mode. Fair enough. So you have to make the story more and more realistic. Next story. Next story.
Shyam and Ruchi, both 21-year-old, were two friends from art school who were nurturing their acting skills at the school. They were also pursuing their graduation from Delhi University in BA. They were acting on a Romeo Juliet play in their they were about to act on a Romeo Juliet play in their annual function of college, for which they were practicing from 2 weeks before the annual function. On the day of function, they executed their play well. Uh, Two movie directors also visited their annual function and offered them a role in their short film for their acting, seeing their acting in the play, and they also appreciated their performance.
Very nice. When Surbi is going to join Bollywood? When Surbi is going to
No,
join
sir.
Bollywood? No. There's a second story you've written about the same thing. Story number 5, you created a drama, now you come back to the same. It's a two story on the same theme. Earlier also you've done the same thing. So you become a dramatist by itself. You become one of the actor. Very nice. Great. Nothing wrong. Okay. Nothing wrong. Only thing they had to change.
Yes.
You can't afford it. You have to bring in freshness in the
Yes, okay.
system. I want someone which you can walk across with a fresh land. I have to look at it. I should be motivated enough to look at it. No, the time is a repeat of theme. Same thing you are trying to get into it. I have told you, you have to come out of it. It's just like a parachute. Open your mind, open your imagination. You're opening up. Next story. Next story.
Ranjit, a 24-year-old boy, started working at a tea stall at the age of 14 to meet the financial need of his family. He always had a dream to work on garments. He, along with his mother, who used to stitch and make garments for people, had built enough skills for that.
Just again. Tell the story again. Tell the story again.
Ranjit, a 24-year-old boy, started working at a tea stall at the age of 14 to meet the financial need of his family. He always had a dream to work on garments. He, along with his mother, who used to stitch and make garments for the people, had built enough skills for it. He started saving money from his payment and then working slowly on his passion by later on joining a garment mill, was able to collect enough money and knowledge for starting a small shop. Later on, with his efforts and dedication, and with his mother, he opened a garment mill in the same in the name of his mother. He took blessing of his mother and went to work, and then
Okay,
uh,
slightly confused in the sense
yes.
that we starting tea shop and then you're doing the helping mother together. So what is the two ways? Since the childhood, both of he and his mother both were skilled at making garments and they were selling it. Where was the need for the tea shop to go it? It has to some purpose to get additional income, probably say as a part-time, which you have not said. There's mix up. Tea shop opening has got no relation with the gardens that he has done it. But again, because later on you're also saying that he, along with his mother, is also earning by making garden, which is skilled at it. How much money, in order to make a factory or mill, how much money would be required? You have to be realistic on ground. How much money will required to start a mill? At least lakhs, crore, each of them. How much money would you get from the telling them no, selling tea shop? Probably 1,000 rupees. Can he make it? So you have to be more realistic on the ground. That's all. Nothing wrong. Your theme part, you're correcting yourself to right direction. It takes you go ahead. Next story.
Sir, actually, I thought of the money factor. I thought I to use that
Absolutely.
he took a loan, but then I thought that since he was not
So you're not so you can say he got the Atma Bharat Nirbhar, he got government policy, he got 50 lakhs rupees loan from the
it's just
center. Then he could have gone that way. Okay, next one. Next story.
yes, sir. Raju, a 21-year-old boy, seeing the increasing garbage near his house and in the village, he thought of cleaning it with his friends. He started his campaign and later on with his friends of he started his campaign of cleaning the village with his friends, and also to tell people about problems that
Okay.
they can face by throwing garbage here and there. He organized a meeting with the sarpanch of village after cleaning the garbage, where he told everyone everything, and also urged them to
You are being,
also urged the sarpanch to
you
distribute
are
the
being,
green and blue dustbins to everyone in the village so that they can collect the dry and wet garbage separately.
hold
Soon the
that.
village becomes clean. Became clean.
Who is he? Why should Sarpan listen to him?
Raju.
Why should listen to him? Who the hell is he? In what capacity is he going to work? What is he going to do? By giving a lecture that he's going to do around there? Why should people listen to him? Why didn't listen till now? Why garbage accumulated near his house till now? Why did he realize so late? Okay, got my point. Okay, we'll stop at this. I think you have you understood now